Alrighty guys, what is going up? Welcome back to the best investing money management channel on YouTube. In today's video, we are going to be talking about AMC. I made a couple of videos a couple of weeks ago. We're going to be talking about should you buy this stock here at $43? Really, there's two ideas behind AMC. The very first one is the massive short squeeze that this stock hopes to achieve, right? We've seen it go from this $11 all the way up here to about $72, sold off, back up, back down, up and down, up and down, a little more volatile. Another mindset you can have behind this is more of a intermediate to long-term investment. And for this is looking at the year. So you can see the year on this thing, lows here at $1. Right now it's at $43. That would give a nice return. But realistically, for me, the longer you hold the stock here, the higher risk it's going to be. Really, you guys should not be having a long-term outlook with AMC. AMC is going to be a short-term momentum trade or investment. So what that means is you're not going to be looking years down the road. You're going to be looking at a swing where we get another one of these pops, right? You pop and you sell it. Or if you guys have the diamond hands, you just completely hold it and you just hold. For me, there's a lot of ups and downs, a lot of pros and cons on each side for buying and not buying. I think it all goes down to one thing, and that thing is risk, right? It determines however much you guys want to risk for your account, because AMC is going to be more of a higher risk, higher reward, right? Because for all the people that were buying here at $11, you were virtually risking, upwards of $10 or $11 per share just because of the overall volatility, and it paid off. Now, right here at 43, I think there could be a move, in a realistic move, from about $43 to about $51, and that's going to be more of a short-term swing trade. I think there is a move there, right? Just from this middle ground here on the support all the way up here to one of the resistance. Is it going to hit 72? Ideally, that is getting into more of what? A higher risk, higher reward. So here's the thing, okay? Like I said, it all goes down to your risk, but I think a good solid strategy for your investments would be, understanding these basic supports and basic resistance. So if we actually go to like the 20-day mark, or we can go to probably the 180-day works the best here. You can see resistance here at about 52, major support here at 30, more support here at about 35. So with it being 43, you could virtually risk, let's actually draw this out so you guys can see it. You could virtually risk about 16% to possibly make about 16 to 20%. So that's about a 1-to-1 risk and reward. But that would be setting stops here at, this 35 mark. But realistically, you could set your stops probably at that 200 moving average line, just because historically it's used it as support and resistance depending on where the stock is, right? So with it curling down, I think we could have this opportunity of some sort of swing trade. So for me, is it a buy? Yes, but you have to understand the risk levels. It's a swing trade, not a long-term investment. The reason why it's not a long-term investment in general is just because the fundamentals don't make sense. People are buying this because of the squeeze. They understand that these hedge funds, these top of the top traders, are shorting the stock because the fundamentals don't make sense on the price action. And the retail traders are trying to pump this stock up, trying to get these hedge funds to pretty much buy back those shares, causing that short squeeze just like we got in here. So it's kind of this middle ground where if you have the risk tolerance, you could make some money, but you always have to understand that right in the past couple of months, in the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months, that you could have been missing out on some sort of return in a better, or having a better opportunity elsewhere in the market. If you would have just invested in the S&P 500, you would have a nice return on your money, plus some dividends. Same thing with Apple, same thing with especially Tesla lately. We've had this beautiful growth. So understanding that, yes, AMC carries a lot of potential, but you still could be missing out on an opportunity elsewhere in the market. So how about this? If we get, let's just say, 250 likes, I understand that's a lot, especially for the channel my size. I will put $10,000 into AMC. And we can just let it ride and just see what happens with it. I think that would be a fun challenge, and then we could just stay updated on this stock, and we can move. If you guys want me to sell the stock, we will sell it. If you want me to hold it, we'll sell it. I'll do a poll on the channel, and we can try to grow the account. We can do it together as a team, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and overall, I hope you got something of value. That's the main idea with the channel, is I'm trying to just give you guys 1% of information per day, because 1% over the course of a year adds up to a lot. And if you guys just get 1% better, you guys will be killing it each and every day. That's the main idea with the channel. Daily videos, and if you guys get anything in value, it really helps me out when you guys hit that like button, especially now when we have a challenge of $10,000. So guys, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We will see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe. Take care.